everybody. It is Miss Elizabeth again from the Sachem Library Teen Department. Today we're going to be making upcycled planters. We all like recycling, and we've all been home and we don't have a lot of materials around, so we are down to our leftovers. So you can use a 2-liter bottle, you can use a water bottle. I'm going to be using milk jugs. Basically anything you have lying around. For the original craft that I found online, which was this one, I used white children's paint, which will need to be sealed. The craft online suggested spray paint, which I think will be much more durable. So if you have something like that, then go with that. But once again, I use what I have, so use what you have. Then they used Sharpies to do the detailing. This was a little cat. I'm going to make another little cat. I'm going to try and make a black one this time. But you can make whatever you want. Animals or garden scenes, whatever you want to cut your bottle into. Okay, so you are going to need a milk jug or any other jug, a cutting implement, some sort of paint for the base, and then either Sharpies or more paint for the detailing. This paint that I'm going to choose to do over the black is more of an outdoor paint, so this will last. I got it from a rock painting kit my son had lying around. The Sharpies worked just fine on the light color, but I don't think they're going to show up on the black, so I'm going to switch to the paint. I'm going to start with removing the stickers from the jugs and cutting the shape. Okay, with the stickers removed, you may have to clean some of the glue off. I'm going to now draw the shape that I want to cut out. So I am again going to go with the kitty cat motif. I'm going to choose what I want to be the front. I'm going to go with that. That looks the best to me. I'm also going to end it at the handle. I don't need that, so we're going to cut that. This is where the line for mine is going to go. If you are more comfortable using a template, you can draw this onto a piece of paper first and then trace that onto your bottle. I'm now going to cut along those lines. Start on the side. And you are left with a cat-shaped tub and the lid. The lid, in the spirit of upcycling, can be used in the garden as a scooper, or if you want to slowly water plants, you can take the top off and put this in the dirt and then fill this with water, and it will slowly water your plants as needed. Alright, so I'm going to start with the black paint this time, and we will see how that goes. There should be better coverage than with the white, for my children's paint anyway. Oh yes, much better coverage. Okay, so we are mostly dry. We'll get started on some of the detailing. This is where your creativity comes in, and you can do whatever you like. I am going to go back to making that little cat face. And this particular one will not even hold up to watering, so you will want to spray it with some sort of adhesive, waterproof adhesive, or polyurethane. Sprays are best because you don't have the brush strokes and you don't accidentally smudge your work. So I recommend a spray, but whatever you have is whatever works. So happy painting, happy cutting, enjoy.